So I've had the squeak just driving me crazy, and it only squeaks when I'm moving. And I found it. That's what I hear every day. It drives me fucking crazy. So I imagine, I think it's these because I just bent it inwards and changed it. Oh god, that sounds so bad. So I imagine other people have this problem. I've actually seen this rip on other vans, and I've seen someone try to brace it, and I've also seen this rip cause other issues because it like extends around here eventually, and that's new. So yeah, I might need to take it to the body shop for a little hour of fab work. Oh man, god awful. Let's see if I can fix something. Let's tighten that thing up. Oops. Oh, I felt it vibrate in right here. One little mousey left. But oh man, it's a lot better. You don't even know how maddening this is. I mean, it can be used as a torture method. My aunt put sardines on my dad's engine block as a joke for his wedding. And that was pretty bad. Oops, sorry, bad filming. But this is just torture. So if I really shake the shit out of it, it will, let's see if I can turn the flashlight on. If I really shake the heck out of it, it will start squeaking, but, I don't know what it is.